Hello. Let me walk you through the most simple way to use Trello for your project management. First of all, come to Trello.com or your app Trello. This is my Trello app. Now, once you go to your website or your app Trello, you will see a template of project management. We're just simply going to tap on the template here. Now, there are a few things or informations about this kind of board. You can manage your project. You will have the resources, you will have the questions for next meeting, to do, pending, blocked, done. So there are these few lists that they have added in this template. So you don't have to just write it down and create a new listing or anything. So just tap on OK, got it. And as you can see, project resources, questions for next meeting, to do, pending, blocked, done. Now, now we're going to project resources. So what resources are important in our project and what is the cover of this project? We will simply add them to project resources. You can see they have added their cover from here and they are looking for even more project management features. So what we will do is we will change our cover from here. We're going to upload a cover image. Then after choosing our cover, we will add our board color from here. Now just cross this out. As you can see, I have changed my cover here. Now, going to this listings, I will change my title from here. I will add some members, or if I have anything important going on with my project, I will add labels here. And also you can create a checklist for yourself that what things you have to do within the short amount of time or what is mostly needed to complete your project. We will name it as checklist 1 and then just tap on add. Now, as we are now watching this specific list, we will just tap on watch. So it will be more easy to let your members know that what kind of listing you're working on. Then I will come to dates, and dates are mostly very important while you work on any kind of project. Just tap on dates and you will find the calendar section here. So my work is due to Friday 22 March. Tap on the date from the calendar. I will give it 10 minutes before and just tap on save. After all this, you will have the due dates from here. And so your members will also see when you are finishing this project and how you are going ahead of this. Now, coming to the next listing is for questions for the next meeting. If you're having any kind of meeting for your projects with your team members or outside of the team, you can create a listing for yourself to make a better visual of your project. Now, this is the list of pending. So here you can put all of your pending works that you had to do it earlier, but you couldn't do it. the most important part of this project management template is the done template. So throughout the project, we have so many works and through so many things to do, so many listings to do. So if I create a different section of the done, what works I have done throughout the project, then it will be much easier for me to correct the things and remember the things that I have done for it, and I will have less worries about everything in the project. You can easily use this project management board board from your Trello workspace, and you can also use it for free. I highly recommend you to use the project management template while you work on your project. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.